A local nutritionist is challenging Jamaicans to consume more fruits and vegetables for the new year. Fran Mafood says this is also a good way to cleanse your system after overindulging in food and drinks during the holiday season. Here is TVJ's Shamela Pullen with this evening's health report.
The health report. Based on scientific studies, a person should have an average daily intake of 7 servings of fruits and vegetables. Nutritionist Fran Mafood says these help to heal the body because they're food high in color. However, not many Jamaicans consume the daily intake.
So a serving of vegetables raw is 1 cup. A serving of vegetables cooked is half cup. A serving of fruit is half cup, or the size of the fist of your hand, or a tennis ball. So this is what we should be eating daily.
Mrs. Mafood says if you don't want to eat your vegetables, you can blend them. She says some persons like to use the green vegetables to make juices. Green vegetables have a chemical compound that helps remove toxins from the liver.
This morning, I had 2 leaves of kale. I love kale, and I don't like to eat kale, but I like to blend kale. So 2 leaves of kale. I did 4 leaves of pak choy. I did 1 whole cucumber, unpeeled, a piece of ginger. I squeezed 1 lime, and I put 1 fruit. So whatever fruit you have in the home, banana, an orange, a tangerine, I added a little water and I blended.
And Mrs. Mafood says drinking adequate amounts of water is also a natural detoxifying agent. Persons should have at least 8 8-ounce glasses a day.
We should be drinking half our body weight in ounces. If you're very active, you should add to that. So if you weigh 150 pounds, 75 ounces of water should be your minimum. So start drinking more water and less sugary drinks and juices.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health. The health report.